Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tatva from tution. Today we are going to study how there is a flow of charges in a wire and potential difference. So let's see how there is a flow of charges inside a wire. So there is a wire, let's consider. So there are atoms flow present in it. So there are free electrons moving around randomly. So it doesn't flow in constant direction. So it will be moving randomly wherever it wants. So what happens when a cell is connected to this wire? Okay. So what happens when a cell is connected to this wire? The electron present in it will start moving uniformly or in a direction. Okay. So when there is no cell is connected, the electrons move in random. Next, we are going to study the concept of potential difference. Let's consider an example of water flow. So how does a water flow in higher level tank to a lower level tank? So let's consider two tanks, tank A and tank B. There is a connection of pipe. Okay, it's open, not closed. Okay, it's open. The gate is open of this. And tank B. So tank A has a water level which is higher. Okay, it has a high level of water. In tank B we have lower level of water. So how does the flow happens? The flow happens from higher level to lower level. The water flows from higher level to lower level, not lower level to higher level. So tank B fills up from tank A. This is an example of water flow. Similarly, in case of potential difference, in case of potential difference, so what happens? Electrons flow from higher level to lower level, that is negative to positive. Okay. Now let's see what happens in a potential difference when a cell or battery is connected. So in potential difference, the electron always flows from positive to negative. So when there is a circuit or cell connected to a wire or a conductor, what happens? The electrons flows from here to here. Okay. So what is potential difference? Is nothing but the flow of electrons from one point to another. So potential difference can be defined as the work done to move a unit of charge from one point to another in an electric circuit conducting a conductor. So what is happening? Potential difference, it's moving a charge from one point to another through an conductor in presence of an electric circuit. So what happens in case of electrons when it is moving from one point to another? When circuit or cell is connected, there is a change in chemical energy to move the electron from one point to another. So we know that work is nothing but W. V is nothing but the potential difference. It is potential difference is nothing but V. Work done, we know that it is W, and charge is represented as Q, right? So what is potential difference? We know that SI unit of potential difference is volt. So what is a 1 volt? 1 volt is nothing but the potential difference between 2 points in carrying a current where 1 joule of work is done to move a 1 charge of coulomb of charge to one point to another. This is known as 1 volt. So what is happening here? The work done is nothing but 1 and charge is nothing but 1. So if we substitute, what happens? The SI unit of work is joule and the charge is coulomb, C caps. So it is 1 and 1, that will be 1. So the SI unit will be joule per coulomb, right? So this is what? 1 volt. The instrument that is used to measure the potential difference is voltmeter, and voltmeter is always connected in parallel. So what happens if it is connected in series? So what happens? Why it is connected always in parallel? And it is connected because it has a high resistance. So what happens if it is connected in series? The voltmeter has very high resistance. If it is connected in series, it will increase the resistance of the circuit and it will reduce the flow of the current in the reduce. So resistance will increase and the current flow will be decreased. That's the reason it cannot be connected in series. Okay guys, thank you. Follow and subscribe